Next, we are discussing about sheet metal. Already we discussed some concepts in sheet metal like edge flange, meta flange, hem, jog, sketched band. We completed these all. Next we have lofted band and convert to sheet metal. We have this concept. First of all, we are using lofted band. Why we are using this lofted band? For example, if you need to create any type of cone, okay, cone shape condition applicable this lofted band. Okay, cone shape condition or multi shape fitting condition. Okay, that type of conditions we have two profiles actually. One is rectangle, second one is circle, or otherwise two circles you will take. For example, first of all we will try two same circles, same shape. Just here I am placing 50 diameter, okay, and I am dividing at this place. Just you can mention up to here, and I am taking offset. You can mention 1. Bidirectional you can select. Okay, one is heavy, you can mention 0.5. Then okay. Okay, now you can select this one, delete. Okay, I am removing this step. Delete, delete. Then you can do finish. See. Next, here you can take one front plane and go to the features tab. In this features tab we have one reference geometry. By using that reference geometry you can create one duplicate plane. Okay, how much of duplicate you need? I need 20 duplicate or 50 duplicate or 30 duplicate. For example, I am taking 50, sorry, not a 50, I am taking 45. Okay, I need to create one reducer type fitting, reducer type sheet. Okay, if you need to create here, just you can select this plane and go to the edit feature. So not edit feature, click on sketch, control it. Now you can take one convert entities, you can select this one. Okay, okay, then you can do offset for this. How much of offset you need? For example, you will take offset and you can select this entity. I am taking 25. Okay, 25 is very long, you can mention 12.5 only. You can mention only one direction, not a bi-direction. Is it okay, or you can decrease some more time? Just you can do finish. Okay, then you can select this convert entity, delete. Now you can do finish. See, now we have two shapes. Okay, two profiles. Here one profile is there and here one profile. If you need to add these two, if you need to convert it into sheet metal, just you can select this one and this one and this one. When you are doing sheet fabrication, that sheet fabricate condition, definitely we are doing one side welding na? Without welding we are not fabricate our sheet, yes or no? Definitely we are doing one side welding. That welding condition you are getting your sheet like this. Okay, here we have gap. In this gap you need to do welding, you need to match these two portions and you need to do weld for this. Okay, sheet metal welding. Okay, how much of thickness you have? 2 is there. If you need to increase thickness you can increase, if you need to decrease thickness you can decrease. Okay, next you can mention if you need bent, formed, that is your choice. This is bent means like a polygon model, only formed type. Formed type means you are getting like this. Could not find a table. You can go with this. Wait here. K factor, select another or specify a K factor. Where is K factor? Sorry, first of all go here. Select this one, again we can try. Here not asking any K factor, just finish them. maximum deviation number of bend lines. Bend line angles from lofted bends features created using formed manufacturing method are only approximate attempt to create lofted bends using bent manufacturing method for accurate results. Wait a 1 minute. First of all, you can go here and you can select any one. You are getting like this na. This condition, what you do means just you can go here, and here we have sheet gauge table, and you can select any one here. Bend calculation is K factor. If you know K factor, you can mention K factor for that. Okay, use gauge table, or you can gauge table and select your K factor sample such. This is gauge thickness 15 mm, 25 mm like this, but we need normal condition. We no need this, just come back. Just you can try once more this one, sketch, finish. Edit, or otherwise you can delete this one. Now you can try this, Control 8, and here you can take one more circle like this, and you can mention same. Offset, you can mention 0.5. Bidirection. Okay, now you can select this one, delete. Go with the trim entities. Finish now. Okay. Actually we need to mention this side. Okay, once we can try this. See, we have like this. We need to change our direction here. Select this one, change, Control 8. Okay, now you can select this profile and go to rotate option, 180 degree. Okay, then just okay. Now you can try. See, when you set in that place, automatically updated here also gauge thickness. See, okay, now you got your shape now. Okay, this is your model. If you have complete, you are not getting flatten. Okay, definitely we need flatten. Based on our flatten, we are cutting our shape in sheet. Okay, that's why definitely you need to create like this. This is your shape. Okay, fabrication drawings condition we are providing like this. We are taking one rectangular and we need to mention this point, this point, this point, and this point. Based on these points, they will manufacture. Okay, they will cut this shape. Clear na? Okay, this is lofted bender. Sorry, lofted sheet metal. Okay, this one. Okay, I need to create one more. What is that means? For example, I have one solid. Okay, that solid I need to convert it into sheet metal. How can we convert that one? Now we can try that one. Just you can take any one model. Just you can take one rectangle. Then you can do okay. I'm taking extrude here. Okay, just increase this one like this. Then you can do okay, finish. Okay. Now Here we have sheet metal. In this sheet metal already we completed. Next we have convert to sheet metal. Convert to sheet metal means, for example, if we have any type of solid model, that solid model I need to convert it into sheet metal. How can we convert that one? Just you can select this convert and you can go with this. Okay, which one you need? For example, I need to convert this one. Okay, when you selected this, asking sheet metal thickness, how much is there? 2 mm is there. If you need to change your sheet metal thickness, you can mention here 1 mm. If you need 1 mm, here we got 1 mm. Okay, for example, this side faces is there na? Side, this is only top or bottom. Okay, for example, I need this side faces also. You can select this edge only. You are getting side faces. Just you can see how much of bend radius here you need. Here you need to mention. This is our bend radius. If you need to increase, you can increase like this. Okay, for example, this side also you need, you can select this edge, see, and if you need this side, you can go with this like this. Okay, this one. Next, show callouts and show default gaps. For example, here we have gap 2 to 0.5 is there. If you need this gap, you can mention which type. You need this type, open butt type and overlap type and underlap type. If you need open butt type, you can mention, means both sides you are getting free, means here you need to do weld at this corner condition. Okay, this condition you need to do straight weld. Okay, this condition you need to do side weld. Okay, this one is open butt type, this one is underlap and overlap. Okay, which type you need? You need overlap type, you need underlap type, you need open butt. I need open butt type. Okay, when you selected this open butt type, now you can do finish. Okay, same you will consider all. Gap, we need gaps na? Here you can select gap. Already we have open butt type, we no need to change that one. Just you can finish. If you need to change that one, you can change, not a problem. This, see, open butt type means you are getting like this. Okay, this is we consider as a open butt type. If you need to change this one, select this one, edit feature. Okay, in this edit feature, here we have, if you need to select directly, you can go with this one also, overlap, underlap. Okay, here auto relief tier is there, upbound is there, rectangular is there. For example, here we have tier type. I need to select rectangular. You can select this rectangular and you can do finish here. What happened now? See, here you got another shape. See, relief is different na? In previous condition we have one relief, now we have one relief. If you need to change anything, you can go here. Okay, this condition, and you can go here. Rectangular is there na? I need upbound. See, change it na? Based on your requirement, you need to select this fitting. Okay, this relief. Okay, this is upbound. For example, I need to change one more thing last. We can try for tier. This is tier, but very useful. You can go with a rectangle, that is better to you. Like this. Now this is our model. If you need to do flatten this one, okay, you need to create like this one box by using sheet metal. Okay, this condition, how can we do flatten this one? Just you can do flatten. See, you are getting like this. Okay, if you need to create any type of box, any type of folded unfolded views, you can go with this one. Okay, if you are using sheet metal, definitely we need to represent, we need to prepare our drawing in unfold. Okay, without unfold drawing we can't prepare our sheet metal. Okay, definitely we need unfold drawing. Why? Which side we have which type of holes. For example, you will take CPU condition, also we have perforating holes. Now already said number of operation to use, sheet metal operation, we have different types of operations. Which type of operation you are using in your sheet metal, and we have number of sides, 4 sides is there. In that 4 sides, which side you have that hole, that operation easily find out purpose, you can use this one. If you don't need, just you can mention this one. You are getting like this. Clear na? This one. Next, this one. Next, here we have no fold, unfold, flatten. Already we know. Now we know convert to sheet metal, blaze flange, lofted bend. We completed this all. Jogged, this one also completed. Next we have corner, closed corner. Closed corner means like a overlap, underlap, and open but is then as per your requirement you need to, for example, if you need to do welding here, you can mention welding also, but we no need to apply welding. Here we have gazette. If you need to mention any type of stamp, gazette type stamp, you can go with this. Extruded cut simple hole. For example, I need to mention here one hole, just you can select this space, go to the sketch. Okay, control it. Here I need to prepare some holes, just you can draw one sketch here. Just you will take one circle. I am preparing here one circle. Just you can mention small dimension for this 1. Is it okay? You can mention, or otherwise you can change into 2. Then you can do finish. This is your dimension. Okay, if you need exactly your dimension, this one to here 27 is there, but I need 25 or 30. Okay, is it okay? You can do finish. Okay, if you need next one, this point to here, outer condition, I need 10. Now you can do finish. Okay, as a ventilation purpose I'm creating perforating sheets, just you can select this one. Okay, and go to the sheet metal. Here you can do finish and select this extrude cut. You can select this hole. Then we have up to that much now, just you can mention 5 or 1. Our sheet thickness just 1 now. You can mention 1 here. Then you can do finish. Okay, and how many holes you need, just you can go with the features. In this feature we have patterns, linear pattern, you can go with that. And how many you need, for example, I need number of pattern. If you need to increase that one, you can go with that. For example, here we have distance 2 is there, I am mentioning here also 2, and you can increase. You can select your direction, I need this direction. We have like this, 2 is very heavy, you can mention 2.5, or otherwise 3, and here you can mention only 6, and you can mention your second direction. This is my second direction, for example, and you can change your direction, and you can change here also 3, like this. You are creating your ventilation system like this. If you okay, you can mention, or otherwise if you need to change anything, we can change, that was also applicable. Just you can go with this. Here we have 9, you can mention 6 by 6 exact. CPU condition you can see like this. If you need this type of ventilation system in your sheet, you can mention like this. Okay, now okay, this is our whole operation. Next, for example, if you need to create any type of other means, for example, you can select this one, sketch, control 8. Okay, in this control 8 I am preparing one text circle. Exactly, this is my operation, and here to here you can mention. Okay, diameter of this circle, just you can mention 20 diameter. Okay, if you have any changes here to here, okay, now you can go to the circle again, and here you can mention offset condition. I need 2 mm or 1 mm you will take. I need only one direction, not a 2 direction. You can change reverse. Okay, again I am creating one more offset. You can take 5. Change your direction, reverse. Okay, if you okay, you can mention, or otherwise you can mention 3 here. Then you can do finish. Okay, I am creating one more. And you can select this one. Here to here you can check dimension. 18 is there, but I need this one as a 19. Okay, this dimension you can change into 19. Okay, not a problem this one. Just you can select this one, delete, Okay. Next I am creating one more offset. Now you can take just one. Here you can mention 1. Okay, you can change direction, reverse. Is it okay? You can apply, or otherwise you can apply like this. And I am creating one more circle here to here, 5 or 6. Now you can take one more offset, just you can select. See, now I am taking one more circle. Just you will take one more line also here. And here we have small dimension. You can take this small dimension exactly here to here. We have 50 is there now, but I need only 25 or 30 or 45. You can take 45. I'm taking 45. Now you can extend this one, or otherwise you can do mirror this one. You can take one center line, just you can select this one, do mirror, delete, finish. Now you can see. Now you can take one offset. You can mention 2 2 or 1 1, bidirectional. Okay, 1 is okay, or otherwise you can mention 0.5, then okay. Okay, now you can select trim entities. Okay, here you can go remove this one, next this one. Now you can select this one, delete. You can select this one, delete, S. Okay, now you can select this one, okay. Now I'm creating one more here, just you can trim this one also. This is my model. If you need to create anything, you can do. Okay, now you can select this one, delete this feature, then you can do finish. Okay, now you can select this one. Here you can mention extrude cut. Where is our extrude cut? Go to the sheet metal. Here we have extrude. Okay, now here we have. Now you can select this operation, just you can do pattern. I need circular pattern. I'm selecting this edge. Okay, I'm mentioning 90 degree. Okay, we can see this type of slots na in CPU condition. Yes or no? Speaker conditions. Hello, Naveen. Okay, if you need anything, this type of slots also you can prepare very easily by using this one, sheet metal condition. Now if you need your unfolded view also, that is very easy for you. Just you can see this is a flatten. See, right? This purpose we are using this one. Next, here we have vent. Simple hole is there and vents is there. For example, I need to mention hole here. You can select any feature, select any one side. Okay, which type of hole you need? Here we have blend, up to, next, all is there. okay, surface, vertex, offset, okay, this type is there. But whole condition I need to mention one more, another, not this one. You can change that one also as per your requirement. You can mention your work. Okay, if you need any screw type, you can go to the features. Here also we have hole wizard. Now you can select this that hole wizard, and you can mention at this face. Go to the position. First of all, you need to select which type you need, straight tap and countersunk. I'm selecting countersunk screw type. Okay, CTSK, this CTSK 7046 is there, and riser head, socket head, flat. I'm taking this one. Okay, and here we have 1.6 is there, 2 mm is there. Okay, 1.6 okay for me. You can select here. Okay, and before that you can go to the position. Okay, we mentioned here this is wrong. Come back. Okay, we have another plane, not this plane. Now you can select this plane, go to the sketch. Sorry, see, this is our whole point. See, you are getting like this. If you need, you can mention here length for that hole. How much of length we have? Blend 23 is there. If you need to change anything, you can change that one, or otherwise if you need, okay, and you can mention that one also. Blend through all, offset from surface. Okay, if you need that one, you can do okay. See, you are getting like this. If you need to mention any screws in this, you can mention like this directly. Okay, we have very small thickness. If you need very less also, you can select less diameter also. Okay, if you need to mention your holes, you can go with that one. Just we have 1 mm thickness our sheet. Okay, that's why you can remember this one. Next, after that, in this sheet metal we have some more, that is vent. Okay, vent is there. Okay, and the gusset is there. You can select this gusset and you can mention at this bend portion. Okay, in this bend portion we got this one. If you need decrease this one, just you can decrease. Offset is there, but I am not mentioning any offset. Just I am taking 20. Is it okay for you? You can mention. At the same time, here you are decreasing. Just I am taking 10. Here also I am taking 10. Okay, now your gusset stamp is this side. Okay, if you need round type, if you need sharp type, this is sharp, this is round. If you need round, you can go with round. Okay, now you can do finish. This is your gusset stamp. See, you are getting like this. Okay, flatten. See, in flatten condition you are not seeing that. Just click on this. Okay. Okay, now I know gusset also. Next, here we have vent. Vent means nothing but uses sketch elements to create a vent for airflow in both a plastic or sheet metal design. Okay, nothing but ventilation. Okay, air moving purpose, simply we said that purpose also you can use this one. For example, how can we create our vent means, you can select any face, go to the sketch, and you can create one sketch here. I'm creating one rectangle. Just you can take this our rectangle here to here. Okay, in this rectangle condition I am preparing two lines. Okay, here to here one line, and you can mention like this. Okay, now just you can select this rectangle, or you can do okay once. Here asking vent, now you can select this one, this line, this line, this line. Sorry, close this one once, select this vent. First of all you can select this sketch. This is our boundary. Okay, next we need to add our ribs na. Where is our ribs? Here we have our ribs. are selected such way that do not connect rest of. Okay, we need to add this one. Wait 1 minute. Sketch control 8. Now you can extend this one. Now you can take one more line. Here to here also apply, and you can take one more line. Here to here also apply. Finish now. Okay, then you can go to the vent. First of all, you can select your boundary. Okay, next go to the rib option. You can select. Okay, rib thickness we have heavy, I think 5 mm is there. Just I am placing 1 mm. Okay, this is our rib thickness. Ventilation purpose, if you need any ventilation in your holes, directly you can mention like this. Okay, this purpose we are using this vent. Finish. Now you can see, if you need to mention like this your sheet metal, that condition you can use vent. Okay, not only normal, you can use any type. Okay, this purpose we are using vent. Now clear na?